welcome back to our channel. It's me Sijal from Kids Explorer. As you all know that we are in lockdown and we cannot go out to drink our favorite coffee. So I'm gonna be making the famous Dalgona coffee in front of you guys. It only has 3 ingredients. It is super easy to make and it's really inexpensive and you can try it at home. So the 3 ingredients are 3 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of Nescafe. I'm using Nescafe, but you can use any other coffee that you have. So this ratio is for 2 cups, but if you want to make for more than 2 cups, you can work it out. So before we begin making our Dalgona coffee, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the like button. So guys, let's begin! So we're gonna be putting all of the 3 ingredients inside the bowl and we're gonna be mixing it or blending it using this electric mixer, or you can even use this hand whisk. You have to keep blending it until it becomes fluffy and foamy. So let's add all of the 3 ingredients. So as you can see, the mixture is fluffy and frothy, and if I turn it upside down, it will not come out. So that means that your mixture is ready. So I'm gonna add it and just take a spoon. So guys, the Dalgona coffee is ready. Isn't it quick and easy? You can try it as well. And if you want hot coffee like mine, then you can use hot milk, but if you want cold coffee, you can try it with cold milk. It's up to you. So guys, tell me how it works when you try it. I really want to know. Thanks for watching our video, and I hope you like it. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get our latest videos.